Webflow is a web design and development platform that allows users to create and launch websites without coding. It offers a visual, drag-and-drop interface for designing and building responsive websites, as well as a CMS for content management. Webflow's design interface allows users to create layouts, add and style elements such as text, images, and buttons, and create interactions and animations. The platform also includes a built-in CSS grid, which allows for precise control over the layout of a website. Webflow also offers a CMS where users can create and manage their website's content and also create a custom data model and forms. This allows users to create custom content types such as products or events and manage them in the CMS. Webflow also includes hosting and domain management options, allowing users to host their website on Webflow servers or connect it to their own custom domain. Webflow is a popular tool among web designers and developers, as it provides a way to design, develop, and launch a website without needing to know how to code. It's an all-in-one solution that allows users to create dynamic and responsive websites with a visual interface and without the need for coding.